Good morning traders, David Martin here, 6 minutes past 7, this is May the 21st, Tuesday. In the analysis earlier I said that we're at the 786, you can see price hit the actual 786 here, for a 12, just over 12 hours. I said if we get something bearish on the 1 hour chart, we're wanting to go short. If I flick over to the 1 hour chart, you can see the bearish candlestick that we got in the last hour. Price rallied up to test those highs, and then fell right back again. Okay, so we went short, you can see there we went short at that point over there, and we've got a stop just above the highs. My thinking here is that if price does rally up, then if I go back to the 4 hour, we're going to take out 29.30 anyway and start the reversal on this pair. So let's see if the bearish candle here holds, and if price does fall down, we're looking at getting out lower down at around 28.25, 28.23, around there, 28.24. Okay, so if I go back to the 4 hour, we're looking at getting out over there just before the B low. Okay, so for now that's the only trade we're in. The pound also gave us a bearish candlestick formation, you can see there, but I was looking for that level to get hit first, 52.88, but you can see we did get a bearish candlestick. I did not take this trade. Okay, so that's all that we've got now. The Swiss is not offering up anything as such. No other pairs, only the Euro. Okay, so we'll do a follow-up recording a few hours from now. Unless we get stopped out, then we'll record that as well. Thanks, bye. Good day traders, David again here, the 21st of May, 11:23 GMT. This is the Swiss franc. You can see that there we've got a A-B swing, and you can see price bounce at the 618. That's the 4 hour chart. If you go down to the 1 hour chart, you can see that price tested that level. We went long at that price there. Forgot to do the recording when I went long. We went long at that price. We've got our stop in at 96.60, and we've got our limits in just a bit higher. Our limits are in at 97.25. okay, so that's a current open trade that we've got going there. And then the Euro that we were in early on, we went short over there. We went short at 28.84. If I go down to the 1 hour chart, you can see the reason for the entry. You can see that we called this trade earlier on this morning. We said that bearish candlestick formation there, we were going to go short at the opening of that candle, which is what we did, and we got limit set down here. Okay, so that's just a quick update on where the trade is at. The pound trade that we didn't take fell quite nicely. There's the pound 4 hour chart. We said we were waiting for the 786. If I go down to the 1 hour, there's the 786, that line there. You can see we never reached it. We did get the bearish candlestick, which we said was bearish, but we were hoping we would push up a bit higher, and that one has fallen 100 pips since. So that's a trade that we missed out because we were waiting for a slightly higher push. Okay, so those are the two trades that we are in right now. We're up on both of them so far. Let's see how we carry on for the rest of the day. I'll do an update later. Thanks, bye. Good day traders, it is 14:29 GMT, same day, 21st of May. You will see that our Swiss trade was limited out. We entered, let me just check where we entered, give me a second. We entered at 96.80 and we got out at 97.26, so that was 47 pips. Okay, so if I go down to the 1 hour chart, we got out at 97.26. Price went through there, and we got in at the opening of, we got in at that candle, sorry, at that candle over there. Okay, stops were under there, so that's 47 pips that we made. Notice what our risk was, and notice what our reward was. Okay, we got out just before the B high. The Euro trade, we're still in the Euro trade. You can see there's our entry, there's our limit. We'll see how the US session goes. Maybe we'll move our limit a bit further away. Once again, there's our risk, and this here is our reward. Okay, So we're still in both of those trades. There's no other trade setups on any of the other trades, I mean on any of the other pairs, so since we never took any of those currency pairs. Okay, so that was just a quick update just to show you what was happening on the Swiss and the fact that we got limited out, and the euro is still in that position. Okay, we'll do another update a bit later. Cheers. Good day traders, just to follow up on the trade that we were in. It's now 16:39 GMT, 21st of May. The euro, this is the 4-hour chart. You can see we were short on this chart. Let me go down to the 1 hour, it's easier seen on the 1 hour. We were short at that level this morning. Price fell down, and then you can see here we got an extremely bullish candlestick formation. We exited the trade at, let me just tell you quickly exactly. This was at the close of that candle. We exited the trade at 28.69, which was there. We exited that trade over there. Okay, and we made 15 pips, so it's a total of 62 pips. We made 47 earlier on the Swiss, and 16, so and 15, so 62 pips we made there for the day. Okay, so the Swiss trade is closed and the euro trade is closed. What I'm waiting for now is, you can see on the pound here our price rallied up there as well. I'm going to wait for a test overnight and get in on a test of that most likely. I'll monitor it and see how it goes here as well. That's a bit too big. I'll climb in on the test of that as well, and most likely a test of this as well. Okay, so let's see how those trades pans out. But for the day, 62 pips on the Swiss and the euro. Okay, so if there is another trade opportunity, and I will record it, visit us at forextutors.co.za. We do webinar courses, and if you sign up for the live daily analysis as well. forextutors.co.za. Cheers. Bye.